Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the holographic trading system. All right, so the holographic trading system actually comprises of several indicators which we are going to be adding to the chart one after the other. So we're going to be starting with the capsule chart. All right, the capsule chart, just drag and drop. Okay, and then we proceed to the heat map indicator. All right, the heat map indicator, drag and drop. Okay, and then we proceed to the holographic support resistance. All right, here we go. And then finally we have the wave scanner professional. All right, here we go. So this is it's a trading system, right? And you can see how it's a comprehensive system that combines several indicators to help us identify the prevailing momentum in the market, trend direction, and potential price movement, right? Price direction. So as you can see on the chart, the wave scanner professional is being displayed in a separate indicator window, and it consists of all these wave-like lines, right? All these wavy lines. And then you can also see this vertical line section that is tending towards the future price activity. But here we can see that when the price is bearish, the red line will mostly be at the top. Okay, if you look closely, you would observe that when the price is bearish, the red line will mostly be at the top, and when the price is bullish, you will notice that the red line would mostly be at the bottom, curving to the top, right? So you will notice that the blue line is just, weaving around the middle, on and off, weaving around the middle, down, up, along this zero level, right? So you might want to pay more attention to the red line. Okay, when the red line is above and you have the price channel, because this is a comprehensive system, right? So you're paying attention to the lines, you're paying attention to the channel, you're also paying attention to these shaded areas here, right? So when you have the red line above and you have price getting rejected around the middle line of this channel, you want to look out for sell opportunity. All right, so when you get a confirmation, probably from your candlestick pattern, maybe you get a sell confirmation candle, you can execute your sell trade, and of course you just ride it till the lower part of the channel. Okay, now we have to use current price activity, because as you can see, this indicator is not showing us past activity. It's just what we have here. So now the indicator is predicting a potential buy opportunity, right? You can see the red line has already crossed down. The red line has crossed down, right? And then now we can see the appearance of this part of the system, this indicator. We can see how it is showing us a potential buy signal. But remember that you need to get confirmation, and we currently are in a bearish trend. So as you can see, if the bearish move should continue, we would likely have price drop all the way down to this point. So this might not necessarily be a buy signal, but we are seeing that the indicator is showing the potential for rejection around this point, right? But what I'm going to recommend is to sell within a bearish trend. So we would have considered selling at this point as price got rejected from this upper channel, right? This upper trend line of the channel. So that have been a good place to sell. Okay, so you sell in a bearish trend and you buy in a bullish trend. So basically what you should be paying attention to is the channel. That's one of the main things you should pay attention to. And then you should also pay attention to these boxes that appear on the around the candlesticks, right? And then you want to pay attention to these waves here. But I would say most likely you should be looking out for the red line, okay, to limit the number of factors you are considering, because when you have a system that is giving you a lot of things to consider, it might become confusing. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you have any comments about this indicator, or rather this trading system, don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.